Join 4E Stories and subscribe our YouTube channel.
It was Ali's first day at his new school. An old, spooky-looking building that locals whispered about. As he explored during recess, he came across a corridor no one else seemed to notice. At the very end of that hall was a door, dusty, rusted, and nailed shut. On top of it, written in faded red paint, "Room number 13. Strange," Ali whispered to himself. Why would a school skip this room? That night, he couldn't stop thinking about it. The next day, curiosity got the better of him. During break, he returned. The nails looked old and weak. One good pull creak, the door opened. The room was cold. Dust hung in the air. Broken chairs. A chalkboard cracked down the middle, and old books scattered the floor. As Ali stepped inside, the door slammed shut behind him. He ran to open it, locked. "Okay, not funny," he said nervously. Suddenly, the chalkboard lit up by itself, glowing faintly, and words began to appear slowly. "You shouldn't be here, Ali." Ali's heart pounded. He stepped back, but the floor creaked and groaned. Then, from the corner, a chair moved by itself. Then another. A voice echoed, "Welcome back." "But I've never been here before," Ali shouted. The air grew colder. The lights flickered. A pale boy with hollow eyes appeared in the mirror hanging crooked on the wall. It wasn't Ali, but it looked exactly like him. Twisted. "You left me here," the reflection whispered. "Now it's your turn." Ali screamed and pounded on the door. Suddenly, a hand pulled him back, but when he turned, no one was there. Then, everything went black.